Hi YouTube, back again with another unboxing video. So let's get to it. Let's see. These are interesting. These are Asian imports. This is Wrestling Beneath the Ice 2009. Can't read it because it's in Filipino or something. Let's open it up. So you guys can have a look at the inside. This wraps around the DVD with a case. And this is WWE? Okay, maybe. Starcade, The Essential Collection 2009, and WWE Royal Rumble. This is some of the things off the back here. I hope you guys can see that. The sun's glaring off it too much. So yeah, Starcade, The Essential Collection 1 to 5 to actually 1 to 8, and Royal Rumble 2009 and Royal Rumble Preview 2009 after. Anyways, these seemed interesting, so I picked it up off of eBay, and yeah. And this is the so the other one. This is Wrestling Beneath the Ice 2009.3. What is this point? No. And this has Friday Night SmackDown 2009. Several shows from that, and Monday Night Raw. So yeah, these will be interesting. They sell them at street vendors sell them, but these are actually, they look like DVDs, but they're Blu-rays, both of them. And let's see what else we got. Everything's falling on the floor here. Hang on 1 second. We had an avalanche. What I've been waiting for. TNA Against All Odds. And okay, these aren't wrestling DVDs, they're just empty cases that I bought for some other wrestling DVDs that cases arrived damaged. Waiting for this one for a long time. Backlash 2001. A very rare, hard to find DVD, very expensive too. And King of the Ring 2001 as well. Okay. And we have Wild Man of Wrestling collection, 4 hours long. And you can't see some of the names on there. There's Dusty Rhodes, Billy Jack Haynes, Ric Flair, Yellow Dog, who is Barry Windham, I believe. I might be mistaken on that, but I'm pretty sure Dirty Yellow Dog is his alter ego. One of his alter egos, Animal. Shock Troops. Never heard of the Shock Troops. And save the biggest one for last. You got a pile on here. Alright. Let's see, we have XCW BattleBox 7. Women's Extreme Wrestling Good Girls Need Not Apply. Okay, hope you guys can see that. XCW BattleBox 8. And JCW, this is featuring the Insane Clown Posse. Episodes 1 through 9, West Side Warriors. It's very heavy, actually. I'm sure there's a number of discs in there. 4-disc set. It says here on the back. Alright. XCW Total Destruction. There we go. And my file is now going to fall. And Mystico, Idols, the Lucha Libre. And Mystico is Sin Cara in WWE. Mystico is what he went by when he wrestled down in Mexico. So, that's it for this time. I hope you enjoyed it. We had a nice variety of DVDs this time. And remember, comment, rate, subscribe, and check back for more unboxing DVDs. See you soon. Bye.